Hi and welcome to my video. My name is Tim and this video is specially dedicated to real estate websites. So because maybe you know, right now I am agency owner. I own an agency and we are doing a lot of real estate website and real estate website optimization, SEO, content marketing and all the good stuff. And so in this video today I want to focus specifically on real estate websites, and I want to show you how you can improve your real estate website. But if you have another type of website or an e-commerce store, of course you can implement these strategies as well, because these strategies are for all websites or for all type of industries. But especially I see a lot that especially real estate websites are not optimized for SEO, and the technical SEO part is not on point, and this I want to show you today. So if you having a website or an e-commerce store or even a real estate website, so then you can implement these strategies. And I think if you are doing these strategies I want to show you today in this video, then you can boost your rankings almost overnight. Of course, it depends how old your website is, how much authority your website already have, and like I said, when you are implementing these strategies, especially I want to show you today, then your technical SEO is really good, and your website is more optimized for search engines. So, and you make it a lot more easier for search engines like Google or Bing or Yahoo to index your website. And this I want to show you today. So I have written down here 7 different strategies or 7 different optimization strategies that you can implement in your website right now or today. And then if Google re-index your website or goes over your website again and sees that you have these specific strategies implemented, then chances are really high that you'll rank higher in the search engines, and so you get more traffic, more organic traffic to your website. And I think organic traffic is this thing what we all want to do, so want to have on our website. So because for organic traffic you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to buy expensive Google ads or Bing ads or Facebook ads, and we all love organic traffic. So then let's get started here. So I made a little presentation for you. The presentation title is Increase Organic Views for Real Estate Websites. But like I said, if you have another website, another type of website, or even an online store, you can implement these strategies as well, and they will definitely help you and your website to gain more traction on Google. And then let's get started. So my first strategy is optimize your title text. So when I make an audit of a client website, or even or when I audit a client website, then I always find the issue with title tag optimization, and the title tags are not optimized, or they are even not existing. So when you have a website and you go to the homepage and the homepage title tag is home, then of course this is not good. So we will always want to optimize the title text with the right keywords and with relevant keywords in our title. So that means that Google can identify our website very fast and very easily. So Google can see what this specific site is all about. And if you have 20, 30, 50 pages on your website, then of course you have to do this for every page you have. Then you have to optimize 50 pages or 100 pages. But it definitely will help you. You can see here the title text is this. The tag of the title, the tag of the site. So try to, if you are using WordPress, it's really simple. You can use, for example, a really good plugin, Yoast SEO. This is a free SEO plugin, and this helps you really easily to rewrite the title text and optimize the title text. Simply install it, and then you can edit every page and make the title tag perfect. So try to explain in a few words what your site is all about, what this specific site is all about. For example, if you have a specific service page on your website, then make the title tag really short about this specific service or topic or whatever you have on your site. And this is essential. So this is the first thing you should do, and you should optimize for every page. And if you make it really easy for Google to identify what your site is all about, if you make Google's job really easy, then Google will reward you in a ranking boost. And of course, this is not overnight. So if your website is a little bit older, then it's a little bit faster. And if you have a younger site, then it could take a little bit more time. But this is very crucial to do this. So, and these are my 2 cents for title tag optimization. Then let's go to my next recommendation, and my next optimization is create high quality content for your website. So if you have a page for a specific service, or if you are talking about a specific location, or in the real estate industry, if you are talking about a specific property, then create really high quality and describe every little part, and make really helpful content for the user. So if the user has any questions about your product or about your service, then try to create really good content, so that if the user goes to your website, and then they can find all the information they want, and all the questions they might have, they will answer on your website. And it doesn't make any sense if the user goes to your website and then they don't find the right information, and then they hit the back button and goes to the next site, and the next site provides this information, and this is a really bad sign for Google. So then you will of course rank lower, because the user could not find the right information on your website because you don't have the right content on your website. So it's really important that you write really good content, and really helpful content, and also provide really good images. So the best thing is if you are doing really good images yourself, or not really good images, doing images yourself. For example, if you want to sell a specific property, or if you want to explain something there, then take a picture with your smartphone and use this picture inside your website, inside your content, because when you're using a stock image, then Google knows exactly that this specific image already exists on 100 other websites, and this is not good. So it's better if you are taking a picture yourself. You don't need a fancy camera, or that an older smartphone, I don't know, an iPhone 10 for example, is more than enough. The picture doesn't have to be high quality. But if you're, my point is that you need a unique image. You need a unique image. Yeah. That's what I want to say. And also, of course, you can create videos. Videos are really good. So if you want to explain something, or if you want to make a presentation of an home or of a property, then make a video, and you can do it with your smartphone. You don't need a fancy camera. You can do it with your old smartphone and upload it to YouTube, or host it yourself on your website. And yeah, this is really helpful for the user that are searching for a specific answer, or want to know more about a specific topic or a specific offer you have, or a specific product. And yeah, so my point here is make unique and high quality content for every page you have. And yeah, then let's go to my next topic. My next topic is keyword research. So it's really important that you do keyword research before you creating pages, you creating content for your page, that you are for your site, that you are doing your keyword research. There are so many different tools out there you can use. For example, you can use Ahrefs, you can use Uber suggests, you can even use the Google Keyword Planner, and yeah, there are many tools out there that you can use. There are also free tools out there. For example, you can use Ahrefs, has a free tool, free keyword research tool that you can use. And yeah, so you can see I searched in this example for real estate Texas. And of course, this keyword phrase is really difficult. It has a keyword difficulty of 78, and yeah, this is not that great. So maybe want to avoid this, and yeah, then go for something easier. For example, commercial real estate. This is much easier. You can rank for this keyword, for example, really quick and drive traffic to your website. Here you can see this keyword with only a difficult level of 7 has 250 volume, and this is really great. If we get these 250 visitors to our website, of course we don't get all the 250 search queries to our website, but if we can get a percentage of these to our website, this is really good. So yeah, we can generate more leads, sell more products, and all the good stuff. So yeah, make your keyword research, try to find keywords that you can rank for, and try to avoid keywords with really high keyword difficulty, because they are saturated, and there are really high authority sites that are writing content about this specific topic. And yeah, focus on long tail keywords, and try to answer questions, and yeah, go for the more easier keywords. Okay, and then let's go to my next tip. My next tip is mobile friendly design. Yeah, in these days, everybody of us using our smartphone to browse the internet. When I am searching for this, I am mostly using my phone, and yeah, I search on my phone for stuff on Google, and yeah, you have to make sure that your website looks good on mobile. So open your website on your mobile phone and scroll your website and go to different pages and see if your website is mobile ready, and if your website is optimized for mobile phones, for mobile devices, and also of course for tablets, because yeah, more and more people are using their tablets or their smartphones to go to your website and yeah, book their services there and get the informations via their smartphones. So make sure that your website is mobile friendly and that everything is optimized for mobile. And yeah, if you are using WordPress, for example, this is really easy. So try to use a theme that is mobile ready, and yeah, then optimize your website for smartphones, for smaller displays. Okay, that's it for this topic. Then let's go to the next topic. The next topic is image optimization. So image optimization is really crucial, and I thought this for a long time now, that if you are optimizing your websites, your meta tags, and also the file description, for the image file description and the meta tag for the images, then yeah, your website will rank higher, because Google knows exactly Google can read what this specific image is all about. And because Google and all the other search engines are robots, they cannot see images. They have to read the code of the image, the code line, or the tags and the alt descriptions and the files. Make sure to optimize the images. All starts with the image file description. If you take an image with your camera, then of course the file has a really weird long name that has nothing to do with the real image. So make sure before you upload it to your website that you rewrite the file description. This is really crucial. And then if you are implemented this specific image in your website, then of course optimize the tag, the alt tag for the image, so that Google exactly and all the other search engines exactly know what this image is all about. And this really can help your ranking. And if you are optimizing these images, you can expect a really quick ranking boost. If you have a lot of images, then it's really crucial. So focus on your images and optimize your images. This is really crucial to boost your organic visibility. So let's go to my next tip. My next tip is user-friendly URLs. Of course, nowadays everybody knows about user-friendly URL. So here's an example. So if you have a URL structure like this, home $ID equals blah blah blah, this is not good. So make sure to optimize your URL structure, that it's really easy to read, so that a real person knows when they are Googling for something that they see the URL, that they exactly know what this is all about. So this gives a little bit more trust in your website. Your click-through rate will improve. And it's also very crucial for search engines, because search engines also read your text, of course, your URL text. And when they see home equals ID, or home ID equals 12654, then it looks a little bit strange, and they don't know what the page is all about. Why should they index it? And if you are, like I said, if you are using WordPress, make sure to click the right setting. If you don't know how, check out my YouTube channel. I have a dedicated video about user-friendly URLs, how you can make the right settings and how you can create them. So okay, and then let's go to my next and my last tip. And this is all about internal linking. So a well-structured internal linking is really crucial for your website. So make sure you have an internal, you have a really good link tree, because when you have a really good link tree, then for sure the user can really easily find the information that are looking for, or the pages that they are looking for. And also you can make the life easier for the robots if you do the right linking strategy, when you link from your homepage to this, and then to this, and then to this, and everything is connected with each other. This is really crucial that you do this, because this will enhance definitely your page structure and make it more easy to find stuff on your website. So and I think that's it for the video, and these were my 7 tips. And if you have any questions about it, I put a link to my agency in the video description down below, realitypixel.com. You can check it out. And if you need help, I also offer the optimization of your website. Check it out if you want to. And if you learned something new in this video, then make sure to press the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more interesting videos about SEO, content marketing, and website optimization. So then thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.